can show you what I'm doing. I'll show you some Batman moves. Okay, are you ready? Yeah. That is all the Batman moves. Okay? And rock, paper, scissors, shoot. That is it. We got some more stuff, but we have to keep doing this Batman stuff. Okay? And we're going to fight. And bye, and I love you. And then I'll do you tomorrow. Okay? Bye.